In the subacromial space, insert a cannula in line with the intended anchor insertion site. Place the drill guide on the bony surface of the proximal humerus at the desired tenodesis location. Drill a pilot hole using the 3.0 mm drill until the positive stop on the drill guide is reached. Keep the drill guide in place and insert the Knotless FiberTak implant through the guide. Lightly tap on the inserter handle until it is flush with the drill guide. Remove the black suture release tab to remove the sutures from the inserter handle. Lightly pull evenly on the suture limbs to set the anchor in the bone. Using a suture retriever, shuttle the solid blue FiberWire repair suture under and around the biceps tendon to the opposite side of the white suture loop. Insert the loop and tack swift stitch suture passer and penetrate the biceps tendon at the desired tenodesis location. Retrieve and shuttle the white tensionable suture loop through the tendon. Using a suture retriever, retrieve the solid blue FiberWire repair suture through the white tensionable suture loop. Load the blue FiberWire repair suture through the shuttle link suture loop and fold the repair suture limb at the purple indicator mark. Pull the tape end of the shuttling suture to shuttle the repair suture through the knotless mechanism and tension the repair suture around the biceps tendon. Tension the white suture limb to lock the tendon to the blue circumferential stitch. Pull each suture limb sequentially to ensure adequate tension and a secure tendon reduction. Cut the suture limbs. Excise the biceps tendon 5 to 10 mm proximal to the repair and remove the remaining tendon stump from its attachment to complete the repair.